Here's something you might not know. If you're considering buying real estate, and I'm doing this before I get into today's broadcast to the benefit of all people, as you're considering buying real estate, be very careful who you share that with. And the only reason why I say that is because some people outwardly are going to appear incredibly happy for you, and that may be true. But in most cases, most people are going to your face, be happy, behind your back, not be happy. That seems to trail in life. So only go to the most trusted people in your periphery, in your sphere, people that really want the best for you, and those that will not speak out of the wrong side of their mouth in front of you and then the truth behind your back. So be wary with that. Good day, everybody. I am Connor with Honor, and we are at the 12th of July, 2024. Today is Thursday. We're going to get into the daily real estate inventory, and I will cover what matters. Here we go. So right now we are at the highest point we've seen in Santa Clarita Valley real estate in the last over 2 years. Last time we saw numbers this high in active inventory was June of 2021. So here we are, July of 2024, and today we had printed darker, 464 total active listings on the market. Yesterday it was 453. That's going to build. We're going to see that fall back maybe earlier next week. But right now, as far as real estate listings, when they get put on the market, the best time to do it typically is Wednesday, Thursday, Friday in some cases with minor exception, but most to give that good run of a property, if it's going to be active, to be shown on the weekend. Starting those postings or putting those properties in the MLS, statistically, there's better averages Wednesdays, Thursdays, usually Mondays, Tuesdays. Everybody's just trying to get caught up with their week. So the 7-day forecast or the 7-day recap is this way. 10 properties coming soon. 87 properties are new listings placed on the market. 64 properties had their prices changed. 15 properties went back on the market. 31 properties active under contract, 40 properties went pending, 48 properties closed, 4 expired, 11 canceled, 10 put on hold, and 2 have withdrawn. With this inventory in Santa Clarita, it's still too new to make a determination as to whether we are getting at that place that people are going to start talking about where the market turned. I don't believe I'm going to see that kind of inventory enter the market in the next coming months. But again, we are higher than we have been in quite a while, better than 2 years. My suggestion is be nimble in the market. If you have a house you're considering selling, get good values on it before you jump into the market, because that out of the chute pricing is going to be critical. For you buyers out there, don't forget to, when you're apping with your lender, find out exactly what information they're going to need from you, and then also develop the best way to communicate with them. See, what people don't expect with a real estate agent is, I have clients that are in Florida selling houses in Southern California, 3-hour difference. They're up at 6 a.m. I need to be up at 3 a.m. to be able to answer their questions, because that's when their business day begins. I know most agents, some lenders, some professionals, they don't operate this way. We have set hours. But realistically, I know that it could wait another few hours. But why would I need to inconvenience my client? Because we've already had the conversation that I'm going to make myself as available as possible, as long as I'm not working with another client at that particular time, and my clients get it. I'm Connor with Honor. I hope this helps you. When you're ready, please reach out to me, and don't forget to check out www.santaclaritaopenhouses.com. That's our main system, and I look forward to serving your real estate needs. When you're ready, reach out. I'm Connor with Honor. Over and out.